Open pores, blemishes, saggy skin are a pain. Dull, youthless skin not only affects our confidence levels but upsets our emotional well being. Let us discover a radiant look with this amazing face pack, which exfoliates, tightens, brightens, and gives a youthful look. For this, we need rice. Rice brightens complexion and has anti aging properties. It works on open pores as well. Arrowroot is a skin softener and an oil absorbent. It is good for acne prone skin as well as blemishes. Aloe vera has antioxidant properties and is antimicrobial as well. It soothes the skin and works well on open clogged pores. Tomato is a pore tightener. It controls excess oil and lightens and brightens the skin. It is rich in vitamin C that further adds radiance to the skin. To start with, we need to ferment the rice for 16 to 24 hours as per the climatic conditions and then turn it into a paste. This should be grinded well so that there are no heavy particles. Now, now we will add 1 spoon of arrowroot powder to this. Further, we will add 2 spoons of tomato puree. We can even squeeze the tomato directly into the mask. Further, we will add half spoon of aloe vera gel. Blend them well. Apply it on the skin for 30 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water and discover the radiant, youthful look on the face.